How to fix reCAPTCHA on Google Chrome Android. Hello everybody, what's up? In today's video, we are going to teach you how we can fix it. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing you can apply is updating your browser. So for that, you can head over to your available Play Store, your App Store. Go over the search and search for Chrome, and then update your Chrome application to the latest version if you have any kind of update available. After that, you can open up your Google Chrome, and then from here go over to settings by tapping on the three dot. And if you have any kind of extensions on, usually we don't have it on phone, but if you have any kind of extensions on, you can just go ahead and disable the extensions. Apart from that, you can clear up your browser's cache and cookies, so you can close your Chrome for now. Long press on Chrome, go to the info section, and then scroll down, go over to storage, and then look out for clear cache option and clear the cache of your Chrome application. If you're using any kind of VPN, just make sure you have turned it off while you are doing this, and try resetting your IP address or changing your DNS to Google DNS. If all fails, you can look out for restarting your device. Long press on your power button and look for restart, and that can sometimes fix minor connection issues that might be preventing reCAPTCHA from loading. If everything fails, you can try using a different browser like a Firefox or even Brave in order to see if the issue is browser specific. And that is it. You may follow the steps in order to fix the reCAPTCHA on Google Chrome. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.